Thank you.
Is where it all begins.
Lord,
Lord,
you are the master
you are the master
of your children.
Thank you for giving me hope through God.
Raise their hand and tell me what they think this one will do. Yes, John.
I will sing.
Thank you for developing my curiosity. I made this diet book for my mom, who is a cancer survivor. Thank you for supporting me through struggle, success, tears, and joy. Thank you for showing me my future path.
Boo! I got accepted, boo!
Lord, we send them out under your care.
Thank you for guiding me along the way. It's all by His grace.